Phuket Bird Park, and I will see the bird, and I'm enjoying with my friends, and then I will see a lot kind of birds. Hi, I'm in the Phuket Bird Park. I'm really excited to see it because you see it's so beautiful and I like it so much. I'm so excited because it has a lot of birds that are so beautiful. Thanks, bye. Open their mouth to keep themselves warm, and when they are hot they go back into the water and come up again, and the cold is
So what do they eat?
11. They eat meat.
Do they eat any vegetables?
No, they're not.
No.
I love rabbits so much. They're so cute. And in the Phuket Bird Park, I was thinking it's only birds over here, but actually it also has mammals. Then thanks.
Oh.
We see all of the birds, but not all. And this is the rabbit pigeon or something. I don't know.
Siamese fireback pheasant.
And it's very beautiful. I wonder if I have one at home.
And what did you feed earlier?
I feed some rabbits and ostriches and goose and lamb. Not lamb.
Goats.
My favorite part is feeding the budgies.
What are the budgies?
They are tiny birds.
Tiny birds or little parrots, right?
Yes.
Okay, what else? What else did you do?
We feed the rabbit and feed the ostrich.
Oh, you fed the ostrich and the parrots, huh?
Yes. And rabbit.
And the rabbits too.
And the goose.
Oh, and geese.
Goose.
There were so many of them, right?
Yes.
Okay. Who's behind you?
Talking bird.
A talking bird.
Hi, today I'm gonna tell you about my bird park. I like it so much because it has a lot of birds and it is very fun to see lots of birds. They are all colorful and I go to the bird show too. And at the back of me, he's like a talking bird and I like him so much. And I also like the show from the bird that I look at. When I look, I also saw lots of birds behind me. Thanks, bye.